Hey everyone, Travis here from the Roush Performance Engineering team. Today we're taking a look at the Roush RT6 and the engineering advantages that set it apart. Let's get this truck up in the air and take a closer look. Right here, we've got our cast and CNC machined knuckles. They correct the control arm and ball joint angles for the suspension lift. Right here, we've got our Roush tuned front coilover. We spent many hours developing the tune for these to get a good balance of on-road comfort and off-road control. Here, we've got an upgraded front sway bar to stiffen up the front end. We've got these heavy-duty cross members at the front and at the rear here of the front suspension. They help reposition the lower control arms for the 6-inch lift. We've got a steel skid plate here that protects your front differential once it's repositioned. And then back here, we've added a rear sway bar for additional body roll control. We've got a lift block between the leaf spring and the rear axle. This raises the rear end of the vehicle and realigns the axle and driveline. Moving on, we've got twin tube rear dampers that were tuned similar to the front coilovers. Here, we've added traction bars to the rear end of the vehicle to help with axle wrap control and additional stability at the rear end. If you decide to post-title install a supercharger on your truck, these will be especially helpful with controlling axle wrap. As part of our vehicle development, we look at different FMVSS tests such as 126, 135, 208, 214, and 301. We also test ADAS capability and SAE J2807. For more information, head to roushperformance.com or reach out to our customer support team with any questions you may have. Thank you so much for joining us.